Hello my dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Students, are you ready for today's challenge? Yes students, it is going to be a challenge for you all. I assure you, after watching this particular video, you will not have a single doubt in finding out rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. You can find out any number of rational numbers between two rational numbers very easily, and your answer is going to be an accurate one. So let's start. As you can see in this particular video, we are going to discuss all the sums. This class is going to be interesting and helpful. So let's start. So my dear students, before starting, let us clear the concept about rational number. What is a rational number? Do you know, my dear students, what is a rational number? Rational number means any number which can be represented as a by b, where both a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. The denominator must not be equal to 0. If the denominator is 0, that means it is not a rational number, and both a and b are integers here. I think you know what is an integer. Integer means the number which can be negative, 0 or any positive number which has 1 in the denominator. Those are integers. So let's start with the sum. First, we are going to find out three rational numbers between 1 by 2, that is half, and 1 by 4. First step is to write the given rational numbers, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Next step is to make the denominators same. How you are going to make the denominators same? You need to take the LCM of the given denominators, that is 2 and 4. What is the LCM, my dear students? LCM is the smallest number which you can divide by the numbers of which you are finding out the LCM. So here you need to find out a number which you can divide by 2 and 4, as you are finding out the LCM of 2 and 4 without leaving any remainder. So you can follow this method. Other methods also we have discussed in the previous classes. You may go through those videos. So first we will divide this number with 2 because it is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. As you can see here, 2 and 1 are co-prime number. So we will stop here and write the LCM by multiplying the numbers 2 into 2 into 1. You will get here 4. So here 4 is the smallest number which can be divided by 2 and 4 without leaving any remainder. So here the LCM is 4. So as the LCM is 4, so you need to make the denominators as 4. It is already 4, so you need not to make any changes here. But here it is not 4, so we need to make it 4. If we multiply 2 with 2, we will get 4. My dear students, always remember, whenever you are multiplying the denominator with a number, you need to multiply the numerator with the same number so that the number given in the question does not change. So here we are getting 2 by 4. You can say, ma'am, you are changing the question. No, I am not changing the question, because we can cancel this 2 and 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and finally we will get our previous number which was given in the question. So if we multiply the numerator and denominator at the same time by a given number, the number is not changed. So this is a concept. So you must remember this. Now, so we have completed our second step, that is to make the denominators same. Next step is to multiply the numerators and the denominators by the number given plus 1. So 3 rational numbers you are asked to find out. So 3 plus 1 you will get 4. And you need to multiply all the numerators and denominators by 4. So if we multiply here, so you will get here 8 by 16. If we multiply here by 4, you will get here 4 by 16. Now, as the denominators are same, you need to find out the smaller number. How you are going to find out? By seeing the numerator. Which one is smaller, 4 or 8? Yes, 4 is smaller. So you will write 4 by 16, that is the smaller number first. Give a comma, 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers you are asked to find out. And finally we have 8 by 16. So our final step, now we are going to write the 3 rational numbers. First, always remember that all the denominators will be same, and in the numerator you need to continue adding 1. So 4 plus 1 you will get here 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So these are the 3 rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. But you must remember, these are not only the 3 rational numbers. There are infinite number of rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 18 by 16. So always remember, between 2 rational numbers there are infinite numbers of rational numbers. So you cannot count how many rational numbers are there between the given rational numbers. So my dear students, let's start with the next one. Here we need to find out 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. My dear students, you may say, ma'am, here the numbers are not in the form of A by B. Then why it is a rational number? Yes, it is in the form A by B. How? Whenever the number is not having any number in the denominator, that means it has 1 by default. Here also we have 1, because 2 and 3 are integers, and integers always has 1 in the denominator. So here both 2 and 1 are integers, and 1 is not equals to 0. So here this is a rational number. Now, as the denominators are already 1, that is same, you need not to make the denominators same. So, you need to skip the first step. Let us move on to the next step. Students, our next step is to add 3 plus 1, you will get 4, and multiply all the numerators and denominators by 4. So, let us do so. So, here you will get 8 by 4. And here you will get 4 into 4. So you will get here 12 by 4. So we have completed our second step. Our third step is to find out the smaller number, as the denominators are same. So one is 8 and another one is 12. So 8 is smaller than 12. So our smaller number is 8 by 4. After 8 by 4, you will get 1, 2 and 3 rational numbers. After that, you will write 12 by 4. Now, as I have already discussed in the previous sum, this will be same in all the 3 cases. That is, denominator will be same, and 8 plus 1 you will get here 9. 9 plus 1 you will get here 10. 10 plus 1 you will get here 11. So the 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 9 by 4, 10 by 4 and 11 by 4. Students, your answer is absolutely correct. It may differ from your friends who are applying different methods for finding out rational numbers. because always remember there are infinite numbers of rational number between given two rational numbers, as I have already discussed. Now our third question, where you need to find out three rational numbers between -1 and 1. As I have discussed in the previous sum, whenever we don't have any number in the denominator, that means we have 1 in the denominator by default. Here both the denominators are 1, that is same, so we need to skip the first step. Our next step is to add 3 plus 1, that is 4, and we will multiply all the numerators by 4. So here also 4, here also 4. So here the number will change into -4 by 4, and here the number will be changing into 4 by 4. Now we need to compare the numbers. Which one is smaller one? As the denominators are same, so you just compare the numerator. -4 is smaller or 4 is smaller? Yes, negative number is always smaller than the positive number. So here -4 is smaller. So you write -4 by 4. After that we need to write 1, 2, 3 rational numbers, and we have 4 by 4. So after this we will write the denominators, that is same denominators in all the case, as we have 4 in the denominator, so we will write 4 in all the three cases. -4 plus 1 you will get -3, -3 plus 1 you will get -2, -2 plus 1 you will get -1. So these are the three rational numbers between -1 and 1. They are -3 by 4, -2 by 4, and 1 by 4. Your answer may differ from your friends, so don't worry. Let us move on to the next sum and the final one to clear our concept. So here we have -3 by 4, and here we have -4 by 5. So first we need to make the denominators same. So we need to take the LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Because these two numbers are co-prime, so you can just multiply 4 into 5, you will get here 20. So you need to make the denominators 20 in both the cases. So 4 into 5 will be 20. So as we are multiplying into 5 in the denominator, that means we have to multiply the numerator also by 5. So you will get here -15 by 20. And here if we multiply by 4, 5 into 4 will be 20. So here also we need to multiply it with 4. So here we will get -16 by 20. Now our next step is to multiply all the numerators and denominators by 3 plus 1, 4. So if we multiply this with 4, we will get here -60 by 80. And if we multiply here by 4 in both the cases, we will get here -64 by 80. Now the denominators are same, so you need to find out which one is smaller, -60 or -60. Always remember, the bigger number with a negative sign is always smaller than the smaller number with a negative sign. So here as 64 is more than 60, so here -64 will be smaller one. So this one is the smaller one. Now we will just continue with our final step. So write the smaller number first, that is -64 by 80. After that we will get three numbers, 1, 2, 3. Next we will get -60 by 80. So now we will go on adding 1 to the number. So you will get here -63 by 80. Next we will get -62 by 80. Next we will get -61 by 80. So here The three rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 5 are minus 63 by 80, minus 62 by 80 and minus 61 by 80. So my dear students, is the sums clear to you all? I hope you don't have any doubt from this particular topic. If you have any query, you must let me know by writing it down in the comment section. Bye bye students. See you in the next class with another interesting topic like this. Till then, take care of yourself, stay happy and learn smartly.